I hired an architect. It didn't go so well. I hired based on likability and his portfolio, which was pretty impressive, but he was not local and he also did not listen very well. He has not been familiar with the municipal codes of our area, and also he has one vision for the project and I have had another vision. Here are the 4 things I wish I knew before hiring an architect. Tip number 1, look for someone who can combine form and function, beauty and logic. You want your home to be both aesthetically pleasing and functional. You don't want a kitchen that is beautiful but has the stove on one side and the refrigerator on the other. Tip number 2, pick an architect that is local. They are familiar with the local municipality rules. You save on travel fees, both for their draftsmen, for submittals, and then any site visits. Tip number 3, ask them how they handle constraints. Every project is going to have constraints. It's going to be the HOA, or your city is going to have certain constraints. Their answer is going to be very telling. And tip number 4, look for someone who's collaborative. Look for someone who is going to listen to your needs and be okay with translating them, and also someone who is willing to work with a builder and a designer. You don't want somebody that dictates to you. It is a collaboration, and at the end of the day, it is your home. So really look for somebody who is going to listen to your needs.